Peace be upon you and welcome once again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing great, God willing. Today's recipe is cauliflower, and we'll make it in the oven in a way similar to a gratin. I hope you'll like today's recipe. Here I have cauliflower, any size you prefer depending on the number of family members. Well, cut it, like this, into small florets. I'll finish cutting and come back to you, God willing. After cutting, I divided the florets like this. Small, just like that. Like this shape, exactly. Now we've cut them into small pieces, as you can see. Well, place them in a bowl or a pot and wash them well. After washing, he put them in the pot and added water. Now I'll add a teaspoon of salt. Then cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After a while, I'll add a bay leaf and 1 clove of garlic. Here they are. I added them like this. I slightly crushed the garlic clove with its peel. Once it starts boiling, I'll count 10 minutes. And then I'll drain it, God willing. After the cauliflower has cooked for 10 minutes, I'll turn off the heat and drain it and continue the preparation. Here I have a pan. I put in 1 tablespoon of butter. And here I have 200 grams of chicken breast, cut into thin pieces like shawarma. Add a pinch of salt. And some pepper. And saute until it's cooked. Once done, remove it and in the same pan, I'll add the onion. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add the onion, cut into thin slices like this. Add a pinch of salt. And a bit of pepper. Let it cook until soft and golden. Here the onion is perfectly browned. Turn off the heat. Take an oven-safe dish and arrange the cauliflower florets inside. You can use the same method with broccoli. It also turns out very nice. I'll arrange everything and be back with you. Now spread the chicken pieces on top. Just like this over the cauliflower. Then add the sautéed onion on top. As for the chicken, it's only 200 grams, so the recipe is budget-friendly. In another pot, I added 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or flour, whichever you have. Stir for just 2 minutes. Add half a liter of milk. and keep stirring continuously. Add a little salt, a bit of pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens. Once it thickens, add 1 tablespoon of mustard. With the heat turned off, then add about 50 grams of cheese, or up to 100 grams if you prefer. If you have fresh cream, you can add 3 tablespoons, or just keep it as I did. Here's the camel sauce, ready. It's so delicious. Mashallah. Pour it gently with a spoon over the mixture. The pot is still a bit warm. Spread the sauce evenly using a ladle. Sprinkle a light layer of cheese on top, optional, but don't overdo it since there's already cheese in the camel. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 for 25 minutes. We'll meet again for the final result, God willing. And here's the final look of our cauliflower dish. It looks and tastes amazing. Garnish with a little parsley, just a light touch. It's so tasty, as I told you. If you don't like cauliflower, you can use broccoli instead, and the cauliflower flavor completely disappears. It's very delicious. I hope you like today's recipe. Now I'll cut it so you can see the inside. Look how creamy and soft it is. So delicious. I hope you liked today's recipe. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And click the notification bell so you always get me new recipes. See you in the next video, God willing.